Hi everyone. So in this class, we are going to learn the sentences structure. Instead of only memorizing the grammar rules, I hope everyone can actually learn how to construct Chinese sentences by becoming familiar with the sentences structure. So here are the first two sentences. Please read along with me. 请跟我读. Okay, let's start. 你叫什么名字？ So the next one, 老师叫什么名字？ So the first one sentence's structure is used for the first encounter between two people, asking for each other's names. So 你、老师 here are both the nouns. Okay, so for the number 2, please read after me. 我叫月月。 So the next one, 我叫杰克。 Okay, so obviously this is a sentence structure to introduce the name of oneself. And I believe everyone has watched the video about how to create a Chinese name, right? Now please feel free to practice how to say your own name. I will give you guys 15 seconds. So how did you go? Alright, let's look at the first group. Please read along with me. The first one, 请问你是老师吗? So the next one, 请问你是学生吗? Okay, the next one, 请问你是月月吗? So this sentence structure is to use as is it someone's is a certain identity. So the noun related to the identity information can be a name, 月月 for example, or an occupation, for example, 老师, 学生, or even your nationality. So we are moving to the fourth group. 请跟我读, please read after me. 我是老师。 The next one, 我是学生。 Okay, the next one, 我是月月。 Okay, this is used to state one's own name or the other specific identity information. So actually, it's the answer to the third one. So let's move to the last group. Please read after me. 我不是老师。 Okay, the next one. 我不是学生。 Okay, the last one. 我不是杰克。 Okay, so this sentence structure is an negation sentences pattern, and it's used to explain that the person is not a certain identity. And actually, we can consider this sentences structure is the negation answer to the group 3, right? And it's the opposite of group 4. We can compare with the 是 affirmative word, and 不是 means the negation. Okay, so for the homework of this video is to complete the try to speak and listening and the word search game exercises. And additionally, at the end of the lesson 2, I have left an interesting assignment for you guys. So please follow this link to enter our online classroom interactive wall where you can get your first challenge and also interact with the other Chinese language learners from all over the world. So see you in the next lesson. Keep up the good work. Bye! If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you and see you!